thunderstorm warning for McLennan County in central Texas, northwestern Limestone County in central Texas, south central Hill County in central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Northcrest, or near Belknap, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Belknap, Woodmoy, Lacey Lakeview, West, Mark, Beverly Hills, Loretta, Bruceville Eddy, Riesel, Galinda, Hallsburg, Lake Waco, Trading House Creek Reservoir, Lake Mejia, Northcrest, Lake Creek Lake, and China Spring. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 316 and 354. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.